Welcome back to guys. So we are going to solve today's POTD. What is the question? Question is we are given an array and we have to sort the array according to the frequency of elements that have higher frequency. Okay. So this is the array. See what is the frequency? Frequency is like for frequency of 5 is 2 because how many times 5 is appearing? 5 is appearing twice. Frequency of 4 is 2. So 4 is appearing twice and frequency of 6 is 1. 6 is appearing only one time. So this is the frequency meaning of frequency. So we have to sort the elements such in a way such that like which element have higher frequency will come first. Like five and five have frequency of 2 and 4 has frequency of 2. So for some anyone any of one will come first, like 4 or 5. For similar for same frequency, what is the condition? If two elements have same frequency, then a smaller number will come first. Okay. So what does it mean? Like here you can see like 5 and 4 have same frequency of 2. Like here highest frequency is 2, both 5 and 4. So which element will come first? 4 because 4 is small and 4 is smaller than 5. So this way we can sort. Like in this example, 9 has frequency of 3, 2 has frequency of 1, 5 has frequency of 1. 9 has frequency highest, so 9 will come first 3 times. And then 5 and 2 has same frequency but 2 is smaller, then 2 will come first and then 5. So here are some steps to solve this problem. So let me first take this example. Okay, I'm going to taking both examples. Fine. So what are the steps to solve this problem? Number one. Step one. Count the frequency. For this we will use map. Okay. Map works in order n log n, where n is the number of elements that we have pushed into the map. Okay. So we will create frequency of each and then we will create step 2. Create another vector. I'm saying name vec. Okay. Vec push element and frequency of element. Okay. Like in here we will push example. For example, before this one we will push 5 to 4 to 6 1. What is third step? Sort using custom comparator. What is the fourth step? We have sorted the array. So like for the according to the question we have sorted this vec. So, so now for create answer array. Answer array means final array. Create final array. A final vector you can say. Push element to the array frequency number of times. What does it mean? Now let me explain each step. So we will count the frequency. From here we will use frequency. So what will become? Frequency of 4 is 2. I will show how this will work in code. Frequency of 5 is 2 and frequency of 6 is 1. Now we will create this another array, another vector vec, vec, and we will push these all these map elements into the array, because here we don't do like each this 5 has frequency 2, this has frequency, so we will not push twice, we will only push once, like unique elements like 5 has 4 has frequency 2, 5 has 2, 6 has 1. So we'll push this all into the web. Now we will sort this using custom comparator. How custom comparator works? We will give two numbers, like we give two parameters that two arguments, you can say two arguments that we want to compare. Here we want to what we want to compare, we want to compare pairs, not single element, because this is an element, then this is the frequency. So we want to compare pairs. Okay. So here I will show the how to add comparator. Suppose we have sorted. So now after sorting, what it will become, which have higher frequency, 2, 5 and 4 have same frequency, but 4 is smaller. So it will become 4 to 5 to and 6. And after sorting, this will become something like this. Now what we will do, like 4 is appearing twice, frequency means it is appearing, how many times it is appearing. 4 is appearing twice, 5 is appearing twice, 16 is appearing twice. So we will create a final answer, and let's suppose this is the answer. So we will add 4 two times, 4, 4, 5 two times, 5, 5, and 6 ones. So this is your final answer. Same thing will work like 9 has frequency of 3, and frequency of 9 has frequency of 3, 2 has frequency of 5, and 5 has frequency of 1. After sorting, what it become 9, 3. After sorting, I'm talking. 2 is smaller. Frequency of 2 and 5 is 1, but 2 is smaller, and so 2 will come first. So this, and now what will the answer? Answer will be like 9. Frequency of 9 is 3. 9 will appear twice. 2 will appear once, and 5 will appear once. So this is the code. Okay. So now let me go to the code. Then things will be more clear. So what I have done. So what was frequency? This is the question, right? I have created here map. I have created here map. Okay. So and where what I'm doing here, I'm pushing all array elements and increasing their frequency. How this will work? This will create frequency of 5 1, and next time when 5 will come, it will do frequency of 5 2. Then 4 will come, frequency of 4 1. Then 6 will come, frequency of 6 1. Then 4 will again come, then it will become frequency of 4 2. Okay. So it will note something like a frequency. It will count. We are pushing elements and counting their frequency. Okay. Now creating the second step. I'm creating and pushing the all elements, like what are the unique number here, 5 4 and 6. So we are pushing number and their frequency number. This is the map, nums I dot first and frequency I dot second. This is the element and this is the frequency we have pushed into the this. Now this is the frequency map. I will show this is to show you like what is the output. Okay, what is the frequency map till now. Okay, and now this is the vector. After pushing, what is the vector? Without sorting. This is the vector before sorting. So this is the vector. Now I have applied sorting, but here we want to custom sorting, like we don't want to just smaller number first and biggest number last. No, we don't want that way. So we are using custom comparator, and uh, how this custom comparator works. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the custom comparator. Okay, custom comparator rule comparator. It is mean. This is the rule. We are giving two numbers like A and B. A and B. Okay, like this is the first. This is okay. This and this. This is a pair and this is a pair. It has first value as element and second value is frequency. First value is element, second value is frequency. So this they are appearing this way. A and B. They are appearing in this order. Okay. So what we want? If A has higher frequency than B, then it is fine now. If A has frequency higher than B, then we want this order, like A should appear first. So we will return 1. Okay. But there is special case. What if their frequency is same? Like A and B has same frequency, A and B is same frequency. Then what is the condition? What we want? What we want is ki we want that A should be smaller. Like value of A dot first should be smaller than A dot second. B dot second. A dot first should be smaller than B dot first. Then we should return one. Anything there, otherwise we will return zero means it will swap. Like we will swap this. If this is, this is not satisfying these conditions, then we will return zero means swap. We will swap. Okay. If A has higher frequency, then fine. If they both have similar frequency, but A is smaller, then also fine. Otherwise, we will swap them. Like suppose B have high frequency, A is something like two and appearing only once. This is five and appearing four times. So this should come first, na? So this way, like A dot second, this is not satisfying this condition. So return one. Okay. This satisfy condition, then return one. Otherwise, in the last, if it is not satisfying any of these condition, then we are going to return zero. Okay. So let's come to now we have done the sorting. So this is the vector. So this is the vector after sorting. After sorting, I'm again showing you, and then what I'm doing. See vector. This is the number, and this is the frequency. I'm adding number, the frequency times into the final vector. This is the final vector answer, and I'm adding, and finally I'm returning. So let me show let me compile and show you what is the output. Okay, your output was 4 5. Yeah, oh yeah, 4 out input was 5 5. The frequency map is 4 is frequency map always in sorted order. Unordered map is not in sorted order, but map is in sorted order. So a smaller number will come first, like 4 5 6. Here you can see 4 5 6. So frequency of 4 is 2, frequency of 5 is 2, frequency of 6 is 2. Okay. Now we are pushing into the vector 4 2 5 2 and 6 1. This is the vector after sorting 4 2 5 2 and 6 1, because 4 and 5 have same highest frequency, but 4 is more. So this is when now we are pushing this into final answer 4 twice, 5 twice, and 6 once. So this is the question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the